Listen, I don't want to be the voiceover in here, but we have an assignment due Monday. This is our assignment. We're going to give Mom and Dad back the love of Valentine's Day that we took from them. Let's do it. Yeah, time to say Valentine's. Okay, I got a new assignment for you. Learn how to say Valentine's with an A. Time. Let it go, man. It's just 1 minute. The TV's going off. As romantic as this? Your parents are going to love it. I hope so. There's a lot riding on this. Yeah, our grade. Since when do you care about grades? Well, you're right. I don't. Because I'm telling Mom and Dad's Valentine's Day parade and getting a good grade. What is wrong with me? Here they come. A super romance positions.
Finally, Valentine's Day is almost over.
We have 2 more hours to make the next holiday with brownies and shove some dirt on it.
Just see anything? Oh god, dude. There's a lot of stuff here I didn't see.